Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about the crypto gaming metaverse, which is quickly approaching into a massive, enormous, gigantic bull run. We've seen some multi-bagger coins. I've made some multi-baggers. Yesterday I bought 3 new cryptocurrencies that I added to my my gaming cryptocurrency portfolio, and I'm expecting some massive moves in some of these cryptocurrencies. So the gaming bull market right now, we just had our first leg up. Expect it to do some consolidation perhaps. We'll get into the whole market in just a second, but if you guys don't mind kindly leaving that thumbs up on the video, it's the #1 thing you guys can do to help me out here on this channel. You can also hit that subscribe button down below and that post notification bell down below. And if you guys wanted to get some of my trade alerts, boom, there you go. Anyways, you can also hit that join button down below. Anyways, we're going to have to just take a quick look at the whole entire cryptocurrency market before we get into the 3 coins. I'm going to make you wait for them, but we have to discuss this because the entire cryptocurrency market controls everything. If Bitcoin crashes tomorrow to $30,000 per Bitcoin, then the rest of the cryptocurrency market will probably also likely crash. It's all kind of correlated in a way, right? And just because I'm bullish on gaming crypto now doesn't mean that it won't just get completely destroyed if Bitcoin gets destroyed. So with the cryptocurrency bull market, my thesis is that we're going to continue this cryptocurrency bull market into Q1 2022. It's going to keep going. Bitcoin might not grow too fast, but I think it's going to hold up in price. And with that, I think the biggest gains will definitely be in the gaming crypto. I mean, there's tons of new DeFi coins, layer 1 smart contract solutions. We got Solana quickly approaching the 3rd market cap. I was right behind Binance coin. It is neck and neck at 236. That's crazy. Cardano is even moving, and there's just a ton of different layer 1 smart contract solutions, AVAX, Polygon. You know, you're getting the point. But where are all the gaming cryptos? Gaming cryptos are definitely going to have a huge impact on the entire economy. Some point in the future, I expect more gaming cryptos end up coming up here. We got Decentraland up there. We have Axie somewhere up here. Axie's the only one up here. Axie makes no sense, and this was the point that I wanted to tell you. So we have the gaming crypto market caps, right? And you might say, oh, it's up 13%, it's up 300% on Sandbox, Engine Coin up 300%. You might be like, oh, well, that means that it's all up already. I missed my opportunity. Let me tell you something. Axie Infinity, AXS, right here, has the highest market cap for any of these cryptocurrencies, right? In this gaming portfolio or the crypto market cap portfolio, whatever. This is Axie Infinity, right? It's literal 2D blobs. It's not even a 3-dimensional game. And it has an $8.5 billion market cap. So Axie Infinity makes no sense. Where gaming crypto is heading, where Facebook is bringing it, where we're seeing the whole metaverse evolve, is going to end up more like Ready Player One. If you haven't watched this movie, download it, get the biggest TV possible, highest definition, 4K display. You gotta watch Ready Player One. You can get it on Prime. I'm just promoting it for free. But it's insane. And that's what the metaverse will end up like in maybe 50 to 100 years once technology continues its parabolic run. But Axie Infinity, this is just the bare minimum. And here we have it at the top of the cryptocurrency market cap. We have games like the Sandbox that are way more in depth, way more detailed. It's not out yet, but it's going to be way more in depth, way more detailed than Axie Infinity. It makes sense, right? So there's going to be multi-baggers in here. It's obviously going to be, some of these coins are going to be way higher than Axie Infinity, especially if this gaming crypto bull run does continue, which I think it will. I think it's had a hot period this past week. It'll probably do some consolidation, but it'll probably calm down a bit. The safest way to invest in this, though, is through stocks. So obviously Facebook, they own Oculus. They have the best virtual reality technology. If anyone's going to make a Ready Player One type thing, It's going to be Facebook. They have the best technology currently. So if you wanted to invest in something like Facebook, then that's where you can go. You can also do something like Activision, huge game developer. Their stock fell 14% today on earnings. Boom, you can invest in a game developer who will eventually follow the metaverse. You don't have to. You're not going to get the same disgusting gains on a $51 billion market cap company. Same with Facebook, almost $1 trillion, but this is the safest way you can go. Same thing with Nvidia. They're going to be providing the processing power. They're a chip manufacturer. You probably have an Nvidia graphics card. There you go. Microsoft as well. I'm on a Microsoft computer. Microsoft runs computers. Boom. That's another way to invest in the metaverse. But this is just boring old technology. If you wanted to check it out, this platform right here is WeBull. Boom. They give up to $2,300 in free stock just for signing up and depositing at least 1 penny on their platform. If you want to get no gains, you want to sign up for WeBull, boom. You can also eventually probably buy some cryptocurrencies. I mean, they have Ethereum, they have SHIB. They add all the popular ones. Eventually, gaming cryptos are going to be on here. But yeah, you can check that out using the link in the description. If you wanted to buy into something like Sandbox, Sandbox is on Gemini. So Gemini's got Sandbox. Coinbase Pro has Decentraland. I like Sandbox way better than Decentraland. I think this thing can still double from here to a $5 billion market cap in the short term. If you wanted to check out Sandbox, Gemini, you can sign up using the pinned comment section down below. So scroll down to the comment section, boom, you click that link, you can get some Sandbox. But I'm not going to be talking about something that has a $2 billion market cap. I'm going to look for the multi-bagger opportunities. So I'm going to be spending the next 2 months, 3 months, or however long it takes to just be continuing to research each and every single one of these, right? So I still have a pretty basic understanding of the metaverse, of where gaming is going, but I am going to be diligent on this every single day, which is why you should subscribe to this channel, because I will be looking into this every single day, because I see an absolutely massive opportunity here in the metaverse. Anyways, this gets me into the first coin that we're talking about, which is CeDeFi Fund. CeDeFi Fund, again, in 7 days, it's up a ton. It was at about $5 a CeDeFi Fund coin just a week ago. Now it's up to what, $7, $7.92. So it's up a ton in the past week. So you shouldn't just FOMO into it right now just because it's the hot thing to do, just because it's been climbing. No, you should wait for it to calm down a bit. Do some research, figure it out. What is CeDeFi Fund? Once you figure that out, boom. It's essentially a fund that has initial game offerings on their platform for CeDeFi Fund investors. So you can see up here, they have upcoming pools, different games that their investors only can get in on. So if you invest in the CeDeFi Fund token, boom, you get access to investing in some of these games. They also provide the funding for these games. So they're essentially a decentralized incubator and launch pad for blockchain games and gamers. They have a decentralized autonomous organization. So by owning these CeDeFi Fund coins, you can vote on what games are getting their IGO on the CeDeFi Fund platform. But essentially what CeDeFi Fund is they're providing the resources for the game developers to launch their games, and then providing investors in CeDeFi Fund to allow them to get into these games before they're more publicly traded. So it's kind of like a private fund for gaming cryptos. So with that being said, that's why I am bullish on them, because I do believe that in the future, this is something that will be taking games to the next level. People want that decentralization. This is how you decentralize and fund these new games. And some of them are going to be some AAA level games. Now, CeDeFi Fund currently has a $150 million market cap. Compare that to Sandbox's market cap of about $3 billion. This is almost, what, 20 times lower in market cap. So CeDeFi Fund, I think, has a lot of good things going for it. Once it starts launching some AAA games, I think it could have a massive market cap. And I think this could easily get to $1 billion, which would represent about a 7 times upside. The next coin we're talking about is Veracity. Veracity is a very good one as well. This one is basically a proof of view ecosystem. You can also stake your Veracity, but essentially they are a proof of view. And how it works is game developers tournament hosters, influencers will buy veracity, and then the users will win that veracity. So if you're a Twitch streamer, you can reward your viewers with veracity. And as you guys can see right up here, it is a product layer integrated with Twitch, YouTube, Vimeo, etc. So your viewers can literally earn cryptocurrency, hence the proof of view. Instead of mining it using a computer, instead of staking your cryptocurrency by viewing a Twitch streamer watching a tournament, this incentivizes users to basically watch the tournament because they win veracity token. And they've already implemented this over here on esportsfightclub.com. You can see right here, watch and earn. Boom, you watch and earn, and you can go to the store points. You can redeem different things. These look like they're in-game items, but you can scroll down here, VRA. You can earn veracity literally by watching different streams. And you can see that veracity has been growing like an absolute weed. 76% quarterly increase from veracity. EFC social media metrics. You look down here, boom, the social engagement on veracity has been absolutely insane, and it started picking up around March of 2021. The next one we have here is Alluvium, and we're going to go back to the coin market cap. This one has also gone up a lot in the past week. Just a week ago, this was at $800 per Alluvium. Now it's at $1,200 almost. So Alluvium, although it can keep going up, I'd probably wait for a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of a pullback. Crypto gaming is hot right now. You don't want to just FOMO in and buy it just because it's hot. That's probably how most people lose money in any type of investments. Once it already starts going up, sure, you can ride the momentum wave oh so much, but if you want to be a diligent investor, you learn about it first, then you invest in it. You wait for it to calm down, then you invest in it. Anyways, we have Alluvium right here, and we can go look at their white paper. And also, I recommend looking at Alluvium's gameplay trailer. It's insane. We'll just briefly scroll through it. Any good scenes? Boom. It's an RPG. You guys can see the introduction, the white paper right here. Obviously not out yet, but it's going to be a AAA game created on the Unreal Engine 4.26. Seriously, just watch the trailer. The trailer is absolutely insane. This one could definitely go up in market cap. It's already up. Pretty high market cap you see right here. It's about 769,000. Also fully diluted is about 12 billion. So I'd be careful with this one more so than the other ones. I think there's a bit more upside in some of the other ones, but Alluvium, you can't ignore the AAA aspect of it. I mean, it's one of the first AAA games on the blockchain in general. It says fight for ETH. It obviously is going to be better than Axie Infinity that's at an $8 billion market cap right now. I mean, just look at Axie Infinity, and you can see Alluvium's only at what, almost a 1 billion, so it's still pretty high, about $750 million in market cap. But if Axie Infinity can be 8.5, Alluvium can be much higher than that. This could be $15-20 billion market cap. And at the end of the day, I don't know if individual games are going to be insane. Obviously, we have stocks like Roblox trading at insane valuations, so it has to really have mass adoption, mass users, user growth in order to really take off. But at the end of the day, there's going to be other things as well. This is why I'm invested in Cetify Fund. This is why I'm invested in Veracity, because it's a broader perspective of the gaming realm. And Cetify Fund especially is going to be good because if you think about it, Epic Games, Activision, all of these game developers, they produce multiple different games. I think Cetify Fund will have the most upside out of any of these ones that I have talked about right now. Especially because Cetify Fund's the only one that's really bringing tons and tons of games through the IGOs. And with that, I think some of these game developing studios where they're going to get their resources, where they're going to get workers, is going to be coming from decentralized autonomous organizations in the future. So at the end of the day, all of these cryptocurrencies I think do have upside. Obviously, Alluvium is awesome, AAA game, way better than Axie Infinity at Axie's $8 $3.5 billion market cap. But obviously the game's not out yet. It's still being developed. Same thing with Sandbox. I think if there's one cryptocurrency that's going to be as big as Sandbox in the near future, it's going to be Illuvium. But at the end of the day, what I'm really looking forward to in a cryptocurrency is not just these individual games, but these entire organization. And when you have something like Cetify Fund creating a decentralized autonomous organization, bringing multiple games to the marketplace through IGOs, I think that has potentially enormous upside. And coincidentally, it has the lowest market cap. So if I were to buy one of these, it would probably be Cetify Fund, just for the fact that it's got diversification of its games. It's going to be a huge organization that's not going to be centralized like Activision, like Epic Games, like Steam, and I think that could have tremendous upside from this point on. I mean, it's only a $150 million market cap, which is pretty high, but at the end of the day, when you see some of these other market caps, such as Sandbox, such as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, you can definitely see that there's probably a lot of upside in something like Cetify Fund. Anyways, that's about it for the video. Those are the 3 cryptocurrency gaming coins that I just bought. I can't wait to do more research in this industry. I'm so freaking bullish on the metaverse. The metaverse is coming faster than you know it. There's gonna be NFTs that are just universally recognized throughout the metaverse as being some amazing thing. Just think about the golden keys from Ready Player One. It's universally recognized object from the whole metaverse, and yeah, it's gonna be wild, guys. NFTs are gonna go crazy. I couldn't be more excited for gaming crypto. I know you guys are too, and I can't wait to make these disgusting gains. So if you guys wanted to get invested, obviously your safest options is buying stock in Facebook, or now Metaverse, on Nvidia, and Microsoft. Those companies, you can use the link below to sign up for WeBull in the description. But the next best option is probably getting into something like Sandbox. I think Sandbox probably can get to a $5 to $10 billion market cap. It's currently around 2.6, 2.7. I'm not exactly sure, but if you wanted to get some sand, that link below is in the comment section. So the pinned comment section, you can download Gemini and get started on investing in sand. Then these other options, Illuvium, Cetify Fund, and Veracity, you got to get them on KuCoin, which is a completely separate brokerage. So that's where you can get these cryptocurrencies. If you guys enjoyed the video, I kindly ask that you like the video, subscribe for more, and turn on those post notifications down below. I enjoy making this video as always, and you want the trade alerts, boom, right there. Anyways, that's about it. I'll see you guys later, and have a wonderful day. Peace.